In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor cells in Google Sheets. This is a super useful skill, especially if you're dealing with large data sets and you want to keep certain rows or columns visible at all times while you scroll through your spreadsheet. So, let's dive in and make your Google Sheets experience more efficient and organized. To get started, open up a Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you typically work with. Now, anchoring cells is all about keeping certain parts of your spreadsheet in view while you scroll through your data. Let's begin by anchoring using the column headers. This is particularly handy if you have data spread across multiple columns and want to keep track of what each column represents. In this example, let's click on column C at the top of your spreadsheet. Once you've selected the column, look towards the top menu bar and click on View. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select Freeze. This gives you the option to anchor or freeze specific parts of your spreadsheet. In this case, click on Up to column C. Now, any data in your spreadsheet that is part of column C will remain visible while you scroll horizontally. Next, let's say you want to anchor a particular row. For our example, click on row 10, which represents the row you'd like to keep anchored. Just like before, click on View in the top menu bar, and again, you'll see the same Freeze option. Choose Freeze and select Up to row 10. What this does is ensure that row 10 remains visible while you navigate up and down through your data. These steps help in maintaining visibility on your crucial data labels or initial data sets, making it easier to analyze large sets of data without losing track of important information. Remember, anchoring is not just limited to one column or row. You can use this feature to freeze multiple columns and rows, depending on your needs. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, your Google Sheets will become a lot more user-friendly, especially when working with large spreadsheets. You'll be able to keep important reference data in view while you continue your work. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to anchor cells in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Google Sheets. Happy spreadsheeting!